you want to use the same Telegram account on your other device, but you don't know how to, then you have come to the right place. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the same Telegram account on your other device. So that means you can use the same Telegram account on two devices. It's a very quick and simple step. All you have to do is follow along, and yeah, without any further delay, let's dive right in. First thing first, tap into the app itself, and here let's click in the start messaging option right there. Here is where it's a very important part. Here what you gotta do is you have to add the same number that you used in your previous Telegram account. So yeah, let's tap in the same number over here, and you have to choose the same country as well. And that's it. It's pretty much it. Like, you can simply tap in the same number and go to the same process, and this is how you can add the same Telegram account to your other device. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I would really appreciate that. And thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.